Hello friends, so in this video I will show you how to fix Telegram slow downloading problem. So sometimes we try to download some files from Telegram and it downloads very slow. So what is the problem and how to fix it? So I will show you some methods to fix it. First of all, first check that you are connected to an internet connection, a good connection or not. If you are connected to a good internet connection and it still downloads your file slow on Telegram, then check any VPN service is on or not on your phone. If there is any VPN service on, then turn off the VPN service. It will fix your problem. And if it also can't fix your problem, then I will show you a third method. This will definitely the reason for your slow downloading. So first open your Telegram app, then tap on three lines on the top side, then tap on settings, then scroll down, find here data and storage. So here is data and storage. Tap on data and storage, and you can see automatic media downloads are on. So that's why our files are downloading very slow, because at the same time every files are downloading. So we have to turn off the both options. So it will definitely fix your problem. Thanks for watching.